Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson. We have Ryan back here with us today, and you guys probably remember Ryan from some of the previous videos. He had a severe torn rotator cuff tear that he had to have surgically repaired on his shoulder, and now he's getting a little bit on the left shoulder, or the right shoulder. It was on the left shoulder you had the tear.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so we've been working on Ryan for how long now? A couple years?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and you're martial arts, Muay Thai, right?
Yes, sir.
I'm a black belt in Taekwondo Chungakwan, and I want to give a big shout out to my instructor, Malin Hallam, up in Mount Vernon, Illinois. And chiropractor adjusting is very similar to martial arts in a lot of ways because it takes a lot of focused energy, and the thrusts that we make are focused and concentrated and controlled. And you learn that in martial arts. So being a martial artist has made me a better chiropractor too, which is why you see me doing a lot of the moves that I do here. And I'll let Ryan speak for how he feels when I do adjust everything. People are starting to make comments on our YouTube videos that I adjust everybody the same way and I adjust everything every time. Well, that's the reason people come here. Because I get good results adjusting people their whole bodies. If I just adjusted your neck and said, see you, what would you think about that, Ryan?
No, I wouldn't.
You wouldn't like that very much, would you?
No, sir.
Now we're going to adjust Ryan with the decompression today, the ring dinger, without the towel. He doesn't like the pins in there because he has a little bit of claustrophobia, so we're going to adjust him without the pins. How much do you weigh? 275?
285.
285. So we're going to see the treat on that one today. Okay, Ryan, let's flex you forward and backwards. So see if y'all make any bad comments, I'm going to send Ryan out after you. All right. Not looking too bad today. I've seen you worse.
Yes, sir.
All right, so let's give him this one first.
No pins.
And we both got black
No pins.
Oh, that's right. We're doing no pins. See, I'm so used to doing the pins. Flipping them. We're both ninjas today. Ninja chiropractor. Yeah. There we go. Okay. Now see, that's the thing about this adjustment is it's a high velocity, low amplitude adjustment too. Very good. Don't fall off the edge there. Did you feel that all the way down?
All the way down to the tailbone.
Yeah, good. Get your neck here. Nope, I got one more. Tilt right a little bit. That's it. Tilt left. Boy, you tough up there today. Alright. Okay, let's come over here on your tummy now. You know, some of these chiropractic students are getting on there making comments about I shouldn't be doing this or shouldn't be doing that. I have seen in my 35 plus years of practice tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of patients. And I know what works and what doesn't work. And how many people have you adjusted in your chiropractic college? So, love all these Google doctors out there. They come in and say, I got this because of this and this and that. When you come in here, let me be the doctor, you be the patient. There we go. There we go. Now see, I adjusted his entire pelvis and lumbar spine because it needed it. And how I know it needed it? Because I can tell by feeling it and just the range of motion that I get when I adjust him. Oh boy. Whew, making me work for him today, Ryan. Now your legs are exactly even and your low back should feel pretty good on this one.
Mm-hmm.
Does it hurt at all?
No, sir.
Okay. Now this is a martial arts move for sure, it's the knife edge. but it's an adjustment as well. I'm not karate chopping his neck, I'm just using the knife edge. Your side down this way just a little bit. There we go, good. Okay, now let's turn you on your back. How long have you been doing martial arts, Ryan?
11 years?
11 years, yeah. I started when I was 13 and worked out pretty regularly until I was about 35, 36. Then I broke my hand in a tournament and I go, profession or martial arts? Looks like that just a little bit. There you go. That's it. Good. Yep, now slide down a little bit more. There we go. There we go. Okay, just relax now. There we go. Feel that all the way up?
Oh, yeah.
There we go. Yes, sir. Okay, let's just get that away for a sec. Now, I do a couple of unique things on Ryan because of his shoulder problems that I'll be showing you today. Easy there. Take it nice and slow with this one because he's had some recent strain on this left shoulder. That's not as bad as it was last time, though.
No, left's not too bad. It's that right that's acting funny again.
There. We'll do that over here on this one too. There we go. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna do this kind of a different procedure. I'm gonna put him in the doorway here. Let's come over in the doorway here, Ryan. And his teres major muscles right here. So I'm gonna put this high velocity, low amplitude instrument right in the belly of that muscle, which when I do that, it triggers the Golgi tendon apparatus, or muscle spindle in there, that helps relax his shoulders and get down in his lats. Okay, now I'm turn around the other way. And I also do the pec majors and minors. And actually right on his AC joint up front here. There we go, good. Alright, now let's go over here and shoot you. That feel better?
Yeah, much better. It's amazing.
Okay, let's take another look here. You were actually looking really good coming in today even. Yep. Now, all the way back here. There we go, good. Okay, let's try that again. Very good. So Ryan, what would you tell our YouTube subscribers about getting a full body adjustment compared to what you've had done from physical therapists and other people before?
It definitely keeps me going. I can tell you that. Workouts and everything else I do.
You feel stronger and get better workouts with your
Absolutely.
adjustment.
Just pain is the worst debilitator when it comes to working out. So.
Yeah. And you came here right after your surgery, you got your shoulder rehab too.
Yes, sir.
Yep,
I
good.
did.
Well, thank you for sharing your story with us and letting them see the ring dinger without the pins today. This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. We'll see y'all soon.